we discussed or not? Average CPC and cost per conversion. Did you remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, what is the formula of average CPC? Why I'm asking is this formula is very important. So why? Okay. What is the formula of average CPC?
Total cost by total number of clicks.
Super. Okay. So now, if you wanna calculate the CTR, how will you be calculating?
Clicks divided by impression
Yes, clicks divided by impressions
into 100.
into 100. Super. Okay. So now, what is the formula of conversion that we have discussed? What is the formula of conversion rate?
Conversion divided by clicks into 100.
Super. Okay. So now, what is a clicks? I need an answer from who doesn't say for now, as of now. What is a click? What is click? Balu, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, what is a clicks? Any idea? Are you need a help?
Yes.
Yeah. So clicks are nothing but if how many people are clicking on that advertisement. If anyone click on that advertisement, it will count as a click. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now what is the impression, guys? What is the impression?
How many people?
How
Ma'am,
many
how many
times it's
people are seeing that ad?
If they're not seeing, will it
That
count?
is also count as an impression, ma'am.
Exactly. So if the ad got displayed on the screen, people are seeing or not seeing, it doesn't matter. If it displayed on the screen, then it will count as a impressions. Okay. So hope you all remember these formulas. Okay. If not, please refer the notes. You have to by heart these formulas. Okay. So now I'm sharing a screen, guys. Let me know once it is visible. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, if whatever formulas we have discussed, the same things we are going to check it here as well. Let me take a lifetime data here. Okay. So now from here, we have completed awareness campaign, right? If we see it here, October 4th, brand awareness campaign is there. Okay. So now from this brand awareness campaign, if we see it here you can see that whether the campaign is paused or it is in active stage, enabled. Okay. Next is the campaign name. Then delivery, either it is status is active or paused, or else account error is nothing but budget got over in this account. So it is showing that account over because this is October 4th batch. Means today the batch has started. No need to run an advertisements, right? So for that sake, the billing got completed here. So it is showing account error here. Okay. The next one will be bid strategy. Which type of bid strategy we are using for within this brand awareness campaign? If you observe that, we'll be giving mostly to the highest volume bid strategy only. Okay. So next is budget. How much you are spending on daily? Next, attribution models. We yet to discuss here. That we'll discuss it later. And results is nothing but if you focus on reach, in result section, it will be a reach results. If you focus on conversions, In result section, it will be a conversions results. Okay, if you focus on link clicks in this campaign, in results it will show you a links. So that in result section, it will show you the results what you are focusing on that respective campaign. That based on that only, it will show the results here. Okay, next is nothing but reach. To how many people our ad is reaching. Okay, and impressions is nothing but, as we know, that how many times it displayed on the screen. Here reach is different and impression is different. Okay, for example Aarti is there. Okay, so now Aarti is getting one advertisement. Aarti is getting the advertisement which is running by Digital Quora. Okay, she saw that ad. Okay, so now again she got a ad. She got an ad for 2 times. Now how many impressions it will get count? 2, right? So now, but the reach will be 1 only, because same person has seen that advertisement. Reach will be 1 only. Now in the same scenario only, we'll add Hema also. Hema also got our advertisement 3 times. Okay, Aarti got advertisement 2 times and Hema got the advertisement 3 times. Okay, 3 times Hema didn't see the advertisement, but Aarti has seen the advertisement. Are you getting the scenario? What I'm telling?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now how many impressions it will be? Total impressions?
5.
5. How many reach it will be?
2.
2 only. So if our ad has reached to the here in reach section, we can see the count, like our ad is reaching to how many people. Okay, reach is different from impressions. Again, this might be the interview question. Is reach and impression both are same? That will be the question. Okay, the answer is no. Reach and impressions both are not same. Okay, impression is nothing but the number of times that your adverts were on screen. Okay, how many times it displayed on the screen. Reach is nothing but the number of accounts that saw your ads at least once. Okay, reach is different from impressions, which may include multiple views of your ads by the same account. Okay, impressions will get count multiple views from the same user, but reach won't get count. If you observe that every time impressions count will be high than the reach count. Okay, the next one will be cost per result. Cost per result is nothing but, if you are focusing on conversions here, in cost per result section, it will be a cost per conversions. If you are focusing on clicks here, in cost per result section, it will be a cost per link click. Okay, if you focus on reach, in result section, it will be a cost per 1,000 people. Okay, so like that, depends on your goal on that campaign, it will show you the results here, and cost per result it will show you here. Okay, the column will be same for all the campaigns. The next one will be amount spent, how much you spend on that advertisement. Okay, so now ends is nothing but, if you give an end date for that campaign, here it will show you that end date, and or else if you are not giving end date, here it will be an ongoing campaign. Okay, so now if you click on export here, click on export here, then export table data, means whatever data you are seeing it here, the same data will get downloaded into a Excel format. And if you are not getting the columns what you need here, if you are not getting, you can go to the column section here columns, then come down, customize columns, and in this customized columns you can set whatever you want. You can select whatever you want from all this. Everything is there. So whatever you need, whatever client requirement is there, you can select all these things here. Then you can click on apply here. Okay. Once you click on apply, if you're seeing the data at campaign level, means you can see all the campaigns data only. Okay. Now if you want to see that ad groups under this particular campaign, means you can click on here. You can click on the campaign. You will be moving to the ad sets. Okay. Now, if you click on create here, and if you in campaign section, if you click on create, means you are creating a new campaign. Once you click on one campaign, and if you are seeing the ad groups under that campaign, and if you click on create here, means you are creating ad groups under that respective campaign. Okay. In the same way, here we are seeing all the ad groups. Now, directly if you go, you will be seeing all the ads here. Instead of that, if you want to see that ad which is there in this respective ad group, means for that you can select here. So here you can see that respective ad group ad only. Okay. And if you click on create here, means you are creating new ad under this ad group what you have selected. In this way, you can create multiple ad sets under one campaign and multiple ads under one ad group. Okay. So now here, if you want to check the data, the same data only you will be seeing it in each level. But if you come to the ad level, along with the same data, there will be three more columns. Okay. One is quality ranking, engagement rate ranking, conversion rate ranking. Quality ranking is nothing but how quality you are maintaining in your ad. Engagement rate ranking is nothing but how far you are getting engagement to that ad. Conversion is nothing but the conversion, how conversions are happening to that ad. Based on your quality, ad will get trigger. If ad will get trigger, people will get engaged with that brand. If once they engage, they might take convert here. Okay, that is the process here. Now, these three columns should be average or above average only. Okay, average or above average only. If it is below average, means there is if you see it here, engagement rate ranking is below bottom of 35% of ads. Means we are not getting good engagement ranking for here. People are not engaging with this ad. If they're not engaging, then how they will convert, right? So in this way, if the quality is not good, means you might have to change the ad copy here. If anyone is below average, you have to try to get it average or above average. How will you get? Means implementing multiple things like either changing primary text or changing image or changing video or changing headline. By doing these many experiments, you will get to know average and above average. Okay. So now, if you want to see the data by their age and gender, from which location, from which device, like that, if you want to check the data, means for that you have to go with the breakdown here. Next to the columns, breakdown option is there. You can click on breakdown. And here, come down. These are the default ones, but that's fine. You can come down. By time wise, you can see the data. By delivery wise, you can see the data, age and gender. So just select here and come to select the age. So here you will get to know from which age group you are getting data. Okay, you can check that here. Okay, so in this way you can check the data however you want. Is it clear? Brand awareness campaign?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now in brand awareness campaign and columns.
Ma'am, yesterday when I was doing the assignment, I got the doubt in frequency cap, ma'am. Like
Yeah.
what is
I'll tell you. Whenever I was discussing that, I'll discuss that.
okay, ma'am.
I think I gave a brief on frequency.
Yes, ma'am. In Google Ads, you told in a week, how many times the ad is showing to the one person.
Exactly. So how many times you want to show your advertisement to the same person in the prospective days? That we can set up here. But that won't be available for all the campaigns.
Okay.
Okay. So whenever the point will come, I'll discuss that as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any other doubts? Okay. So let me move to the another campaign here. So now we'll see how to link the conversion our Facebook business manager to the website. Okay. So now for this awareness campaign is okay. But if you're running a traffic campaign, assume that you are running a traffic campaign. Okay. To where you have to generate the traffic? Website, right? Now, if you're generating traffic to the website without linking, will you be able to track that?
No.
No, right? We can't track that. So, if you want to track that traffic, how many people are visiting to your website? For that, you have to link business manager account to the website. Okay? That linking part in Google Ads, it will call it as a conversion tracking. Here, it will call it as a pixel setup. Here, it will call as a pixel setup. Okay, pixel setup. Now, if you want to set up this pixel, you have to go to the ads manager, and from here you can click on all tools. From this all tools, you can come down. So under manage business, events manager is there. Once you click on events manager, so here you can select your profile. Then you can select on that pixel. Once you select the pixel, here one is there. Here it is. You have to set up. For that, you can click on create here. Sorry. Yeah. So you can click on connect data sources here. Left side, click on connect data sources. Okay. So there is a glitch in my account. So why it is showing that web. Let me try with the another account. It is taking too much time. Ayyo. Give me 5 minutes. Okay. So just I have changed the business manager account, which I was showing you previously. There is a glitch in this account. So while setting up, we didn't set up properly. Okay. So now if you see it here, you have to come to the events manager. Once you come to the events manager, here left side you will be getting an option for connect data sources. You can click on connect data sources, and here you can select exactly from where you want to track the data. If you want to track the data from website, you can go with the website here. If you want to track the data from app, you can go with the app here. And offline stores, if you have a list with you, customers data, you can update that list. If you want to share the data from your chat boxes, nothing but messengers. For that, you can track the from messaging boxes also. Okay. So now, as we have completed awareness campaign, the data we wanted to track it from our website. Okay. For that, I am selecting website here. Then click on connect. Once you click on connect, you have to give the name for that. I am giving like 2nd August. Okay, once you give a 2nd August here, then click on create. Once you click on create, here it is asking you to enter your website address. I am giving like Data Minax address for now. Copy the URL and paste it here. Then click on check. Okay, once you got verified, then you can click on next here. So once you click on next, here it is asking that find the way to set up. Okay, if you need a guidance, you can click on guidance here. If you want to do it yourself, you can click on do it yourself here. Then click on next. Once you click on next, here we will be having two types of pixels here. Okay, the one will be metapixel and conversion API. Okay, so metapixel, we know that if you want to track the data from your website, you have to go with the metapixel. You have to set up that pixel in your website. But After iOS update, what was happening means we won't be able to track the data like what is happening in the iOS devices. Okay, so now or else if they are using ad blockers, then we can't track the data. Assume that the person they have clicked on our advertisement, okay, and they visited our website, but they are using ad blockers into their browser. Okay, if they're using ad blockers, we can't track the data if you implement metapixel only. Okay, so along with that, you need to implement conversion API also. So how this conversion API will works means if they use ad blockers also, it doesn't mean conversion API, it will pull the data from their browser. Okay, from their browser list, it will pull the data so that we won't miss any data. Okay, so after iOS has released many updates now, not to allow advertisements. If they allowed advertisements also, they can use that ad blockers so that we can't track the data, right? So for that purpose, Meta also has released this conversion API option. If they use ad blockers, then also we can track the data here. Okay, so the recommended win will be Metapixel and conversion API both. If you go with the only Metapixel, later also you must have add the conversion API. That is mandatory. Okay, instead of doing 2 times, you can go with single time by selecting Metapixel and conversion API here. Okay, once you select that option, click on next. Once you click on next, how you wanna set up that? Always go with the manual setup only. Select the manual setup, click on next. Once you click on next, here it will be giving a restrictions to how to implement the everything. Then click on continue. Once you click on continue, in this event section, you must have select the category here. In which category your business into. Okay, you have to select that category. Once you select the category, what you wanna track from your website, add to cart or add to wish list or purchases, means if they buy the product, like that what you wanna track from this conversion, from this pixel setup, whatever you wanna track, you can select those things here. Once you select, click on continue, and from here exactly what data you wanna track. For example, add to cart means in that add to cart, if you wanna track their name, means you will be getting their name whoever has added the product into the cart. Okay, and if you wanna check if you need gender, you can select the gender also. Like that, whatever you need exactly from that particular each event. If you go to the ad wish list, you can select in ad wish list also what you wanna track exactly. And purchase events also, you can track that exactly whatever you wanna track. And these particular options will call it as a parameters. Okay, you have to select those parameters exactly what you wanna track from each event here. Okay, once you're done with that, you can click on continue here. Once you click on continue, this is the review setup, just review step. You can review like what are the events you have selected. Under that event, whatever whatever parameters you have selected, you can select those, then click on continue here. Okay, once you click on continue, if you wanna see the instruction, just you can click on send instructions. Then you can give a mail ID. Those instructions will be getting to your mail ID. You can see those instructions. Okay, once you're done with that, you can click on finish. So once you click on finish here, so once you click on finish, here the data is ready. Okay, the data is ready, but the thing is you have to generate the code, and that code should be pasted in your website. Okay, see, if you want to gather website events from browser activity, you have to go with the setup pixel, and these both you have to set up. Okay, so now first go with the setup meta pixel. Once you click on that, install code manually. You have to select that install code manually. Once you select that, you will be getting a code here. You have to copy this code. Once you copy the code, it should be pasted in before closing head tag, and it should be there in every page of your website. Okay. This code should be there in every page of the website. Then click on continue. Okay. No need to do anything here. Click on continue. Then go to pixel. Okay. So now as pixel is not set up here, so it is asking that continue pixel setup. It will be asking the same things only, and you have to set up both. You have to select first. You have to select meta pixel, connect, and you will be getting a code here. And again, once you paste that code in before closing head tag in every page, then you have to come back. You have to select the API, then click on connect, and this code also set up manually. Click on next. So here you can continue that every process. Okay, just you can check that everything whatever you need. Click on continue. Okay, the thing is, as you have selected meta pixel and conversion API, you no need to worry on that. If you implement this meta pixel, then it will track the data, because you have done this both at a time. You have selected one option, no? So you can set first, you have to go with this meta pixel, and whatever code you are getting, that code needs to be pasted in website backend in every page before closing head tag. Okay, so now if you wanna process this meta pixel, okay, if you wanna come here and if you wanna update that meta pixel here, first you must have knows it, right? Like whether it's already implemented pixel in the website or not. Okay, to check that, there is a extension called Pixel Helper. There is an extension called Pixel Helper. Here if you see it here, chrome.google.com, Meta Pixel Helper, you can click on that. Once you click on that, here as I already added this pixel to my Chrome, here it is asking that remove from Chrome. Okay, if you add this extension to your Chrome, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so now how can we check that whether it has implemented or not? Means you can go with that particular website, open the website, then here if you see it here, automatically it is reflecting. Okay, just open that pixel. Here it is showing that pixel is implemented or not. You no need to update the 2 pixels. 1 pixel is enough. Okay, no need to generate 2 codes and no need to implement. One website, 1 code is enough. Okay. So now if it's not there, or else if there is instead of green and yellow, if it is red color, means there is a issue with the pixel. Those issues you will be coming to the back end, and for that particular pixel you have to select, and if you go with the diagnostics, you will get those issues here. If there is any issues here, that's gonna reflect here. You have to clear those issues. Okay, then only it's gonna be in green color here, and always it should be in green color only. Okay, and if you wanna test that pixel whether it is working proper or not, means you can come with the test events here. Okay, so now here, if you set up properly, if you done like if you paste that code in your website in a proper way, what you can do is you can enter that website URL here and click on open website. So open website, we have opened the website now. So now you can come back. If you're tracking the data, if you implemented the website in a proper way, here it will show you that it is tracking the data. As we are not implemented, it won't show the data. Okay, in this way you can test whether that pixel is working or not. And if you want to see that history, who and all did a changes here, you can see the history here. And if there is any settings, mostly there won't be. If there is any settings here, you can see those settings here, all the settings in this settings section. Okay, so this is how we'll be linking our website to Facebook Business Manager. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, it's very confused, but
Yeah, it's bit confusing. You know, because you have to continue from step by step. Now, what I'll be doing means I won't take further class now.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. If I continue, you might get confused more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What you can do is you can go step by step. You can go to the events manager. Even I'll be sharing Facebook notes also. You can go with that notes, and also you can go with the videos which is there in learning platform, and you can follow the step by step here and try to create the pixel. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so if you're having any doubts while creating the pixel, list out those doubts. Don't worry if you're not able to do it also, like in the process, if you're not able to follow the process also, that's fine. Just let me know where you got stuck. Okay, I'll help you to sort it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today you create this, all of you create a conversion tracking. Tomorrow we'll continue with the remaining class.
Okay.
Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. If you have any doubts or any confusions, you can ask me now.
We'll do it today, ma'am. If we'll have any doubt, I'll ask.
Sure, Aarti, sure. That works. Okay. Okay, guys, please do a practice, and if you have any doubts, let me know in tomorrow class. Okay.
Ma'am, you can check the assignment that you have given yesterday, so that like how I want to see the review, like how I have done.
Sure, sure. I got an assignment from Aarti alone. Aarti, like instead of screenshot,
Ma'am, actually, I have tried with the link, ma'am, but when I was opening that link, now, ma'am, like it was not opening properly. It was asking the the password and the username.
Okay.
Yeah.
The thing is, where did you try that?
Like the same you have told, na, like we have to share, and then there will be like one link will come, and then you have to share it. I have done everything the same thing, but it was not working, ma'am.
But it shouldn't be like that. Will you be able to share a screen?
Like ma'am, I'm doing the classes with the mobile, ma'am. Like.
Okay. Tomorrow, try to log in with the laptop.
Okay, sure.
Okay, we'll see that why it is asking.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sure.
But that is good, Aarti. You have taken screenshots of everything and you made a PPT. Super it is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I'm seeing your hard work here.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
So here, what you are focusing?
Ma'am, to the digital marketing I have done, like the people like homemaking and digital marketing graduation, so online advertising. So these people I have targeted, ma'am. Business.
No, I'm asking which services you wanted to tell them, you wanted to
it was related to digital marketing.
only digital marketing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if it is only digital marketing, homemaking might be irrelevant, right? Whoever is
Ma'am,
interested in
homemaking,
homemaking.
ma'am, the housewives and these are also can join the courses and everything.
But yeah, they can join. But here the concept is you have selected interest now. In interest, homemaking. If you select interest and homemaking, means whoever is interested in homemaking, we are telling them digital marketing. If they are interested in homemaking, why we are giving digital marketing opportunity? Are you getting my point? If you wanna focus on housewives, you must have go with the demographics. Okay, interest is nothing but on what they're showing interest. Based on their interest, our ad will get triggered. Okay? Yeah. The remaining things is good. Like we can focus. Yeah. You don't want to display it in Messenger?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually, the advanced one is good, ma'am, but I have to the manual. Yeah, is recommended one.
Advantage is nothing but whichever placement it's gonna work in a proper way. Like it feels that this particular placement will be getting more results. It will focus on that particular results and it will try to get more results.
Yes.
Manual placement, it will be a client requirement, na?
Yes.
This only have to display.
We have to show, yeah.
Yeah, so it depends on client requirement. And whatever placements you are selecting, it's gonna display it here.
Yes.
If you observe that, yeah. Super, Bhatya. I wanted to give a claps for you. You did it in very nice. Keep this for your reference. Save this, Aarti. Don't leave this.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. And I got an assignment from you only. How about others? I got an assignment from only Aarti. How about others? Okay. So first you have to complete the awareness campaign. First you should know the campaign setup. Then if you go with the conversion tracking, it will be clear for you. Okay. Please complete the assignment first. Then go with the conversion tracking setup. This both has to be completed by tomorrow. Today assignment will be conversion tracking only. Awareness is yesterday assignment. Okay. As you didn't do, I'm asking you to do it today. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Then we'll catch up this. We'll wind up this class now, and we'll catch up tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.